It is another beautiful summer day here in Sweden. It is 21 degrees Celsius, so about 68, 69 degrees Fahrenheit. And it feels extremely hot to us today. I guess it's easier to get used to colder climate than a hot one, but 21 degrees definitely seems very hot and summery to us. Perfect to go for a nice dip. But today I'm going to collect some yarrow. There's an insane amount of lingonberry growing here. Everywhere. Just green with a ton of red dots everywhere. They're so precious looking. This is berry haven here. Blueberries, lingonberries. And we even have some crowberries here, actually a ton of them. You really have to watch your step, not to squish them. So juicy and red. And your definition for a red bush. This is a perfect spot to build a home. So these guys had the right idea. Wild raspberries. This is a great season in Sweden. You can have all kinds of wild grown berries with a ton of nutrients and phytonutrients. And how about tiny wild strawberries? Aren't they so cute? Look at this. Alright, I can't help myself. Well, this one fell off anyway. I'll just give it a taste. Wow, so much concentrated flavor. That is so good. Oh, I bet homemade jam would taste so good made with wild strawberries. All you have to do is just get out and everything is at your fingertips. Blueberries, lingonberries, strawberries, raspberries. Probably a ton more that I'm not even aware of or mentioning, but it's like a treasure place. There's just so much of untouched nature and wild berries, so many vitamins and nutrients that animals and people need before the cold season starts, which is not that far away. Probably in a couple of weeks it will start getting colder. September will be cold and rainy, so yeah, have to get ready and bear up and eat those berries. This is such magical forest here. What do these boulders make you think of? Frozen. Trolls from Frozen, don't you think? They're so cute. They come with a lot of mosquitoes here, but they're so cute. I love these little humps. We have 2 girls, so we've watched Frozen a lot. Today is a beautiful day to pick yarrow. This plant is a medicinal herb, and it goes by a lot of names. Some call it devil's nettle or thousand leaf, old man's pepper, old man's mustard, and this one is called common yarrow. There are various yarrow colors. They can be white, which we, like I said, have growing here. And they have pink, dark red, light pink, yellow, almost orangey. You can even grow it yourself in your garden. But here we have it growing wild, and I actually like picking wild grown herbs. Because I think they have a lot more of their strong natural healing compounds. So that's what I'll be picking today. What they're good for is anxiety, sleeplessness. They can help with digestive disorders, for wound healing, for balancing pH levels in the skin, or moisture retention in the skin. They can be used as teas, so you can drink yarrow tea. You can apply it as in salve or yarrow oil. There's also essential oils that you can use as aromatherapy. So there's just a lot of various ways you can use yarrow, and it's very good herb. So I'm going to collect it and dry it at home and use it mostly for skin, but also as tea. You can use flowers and or leaves for tea or for your skin moisturizers, oils. This guy's claiming this plant, so I'll leave him alone. I'm at home now, and on my way home I picked up some more herbs like calendula and oregano and German chamomile, and I'm putting them all on the dehydrator to dry them. See here I have a pink yarrow, so a small variation there. Very rare in this region, or at least where we live. But yeah, I love the smell of these flowers and herbs. today is a beautiful day to pick blueberries. It's nice and dry, and it's not too cold and it's not hot, so it's just perfect weather. And we are here in the woods. It's Sunday. It's just a relaxing day. Well, looks like I still have to get used to using this berry picking claw. So yeah, we're gonna we plan on freezing the blueberries, and then we're going to also make we can make blueberry muffins with them, and blueberry pies, blueberry scones. They're delicious. I don't think I'm gonna be making jam with it, but definitely freeze them for winter. You want to tell me something? I'm in the mood for some freshly baked bread to go with the jam that I made and showed in the previous video. Smells so good. This is definitely worth the extra effort.